Want to find out about Legendary Marketer and see if it's a real company? Trying to figure out if David Sharpe is legit or if Legendary Marketer is just some scam? Well, you've come to the right place. In this review, I'll dish out all the details on this company, its founder and much more in this video. But first, in order to do that, I wanted to tell you guys a story. Years ago, I had a friend who joined a company called Empower Network. It was a multi-level marketing, MLM, company. And, at the time, I knew almost nothing about internet marketing. The company was run by two highly charismatic internet marketers, David Wood and David Sharpe. The two Daves, if you will. My friend, who made almost no money in Empower Network, showed me some of the videos. They were engaging and educational. And I certainly got some value over the short bits that I did watch. The thing was that I really connected with the story of David Sharpe. Not so much with the other Dave. But I felt like Sharpe was pretty legit. This was probably around the year 2011 or so. Empower Network had become huge. But years later, the company crashed and burned. Not too surprising when you think about the amount of money they were making and how they effectively knew nothing about how to manage a big business. Fast forward several years, and I still remembered Empower Network. One day, I see this YouTube video ad. It was for Duplicate Dave. I click on it and see a guy with a scruffy beard who looked almost nothing like the old Dave I remembered. But it was the same guy. Riding around in a Range Rover and talking about all the fat cats and big corporations who are lining their pockets with money while the rest of the world struggles in this constant 9-to-5 rat race. How I met David Sharpe. Before I tell you more about whether or not I think Legendary Marketer is a legit business or whether it's just a scam, let me tell you a little backstory on how I came to meet David Sharpe. The genesis of this story started at some point after I walked away from a substantial business after a dispute with my business partner. After spending 3 years crafting a platform and a business that was already generating in the 7 figures in sales, I was distraught. I felt like a failure all over again. I had poured my heart and my soul and thousands of hours of my time and tens of thousands of dollars of my own money into that business. And it was gone. However, unlike most folks, I didn't wallow in that despair for too long. I figured that what was done was done. And that God had a bigger meaning and a bigger purpose for me. So I moved on. I picked myself back up again, brushed off the dust, and pushed forward. As a contributor to Forbes and Entrepreneur magazine, along with other big media publications, I did one thing that I could think of after something so cataclysmic happened. I reached out to the top online marketing and business people in the world that I could think about to learn and tell their stories. I'm not sure why David Sharpe's name popped into my head at the time, but it did. He was the first person I contacted after my business collapsed. The funny thing was that he was on vacation when he reached back out to me. And we spent a good deal of time on the phone talking. I probably caught him off guard. Here was this guy out of the blue wanting to write an article about him in Forbes. I didn't explain the entire evolution of how I came about to know about him, but I did allude to the whole Empower Network thing. Sharpe had walked away from Empower Network and cashed out at the right time. In fact, he took the high road with that situation. Just like I did with my situation. To me, Sharpe was a kindred spirit. I realized that on that brief phone call. And I wanted to do something to help him. And at the same time, learn the so-called secrets of a master online marketer. In short, I wanted to add value. It's funny that I turned to doing this rather than anything else. The truth is that I had allowed my ex-business partner to do all the networking. I had allowed him to interface with all of our clients and be the face of the business while I worked steadily in the background building, developing and engineering a fully automated cloud-based solution that blew every competitor out of the water. The funny thing is that this dispute with my ex-business partner turned out to be a massive blessing in disguise. I won't delve into that right now, but because of it, I met people like David Sharpe and many others. People who I reached out to in an effort to learn how to improve my own skill set of marketing and making money online. And that's precisely how I've arrived at this review of legendary marketer and David Sharpe. After writing an article about Sharpe in Forbes, we began speaking and became friends. I learned his journey and he learned mine. We connected on a deeper level and knew that we would work on a project together, we just didn't know what. What is Legendary Marketer? Legendary Marketer is a one-level affiliate program. People earn affiliate commissions by getting others to sign up. Sharpe's Legendary Marketer pays out roughly 55% to 60% on all sales. Across the board. Their products range anywhere from $30 per month for the Legendary Marketer Club to upwards of $25,000 for the high-ticket items. Sharpe is definitely a veteran in this industry. Take it from me, I know him personally. He's been at this for over 9 years now and he's one of the savviest online marketers out there. The best part about Legendary Marketer? You get to learn while you earn. Sharpe has created a platform for understanding the online marketing industry while also earning an income. Whether you're brand new to internet marketing, or you've been at this for a long time with a sizable list, Legendary Marketer gives you the tools you need to earn money. Now, whether or not you actually make any money boils down to how much work you put in. Not everyone makes money and don't forget that nothing in life is guaranteed. Legendary Marketer products. If you're looking to build a business online, Legendary Marketer provides you with the resources, tools and training to get started. Legendary Marketer Club. Everything you need to learn how to grow and scale a business online using digital marketing. You'll learn about things like Facebook ads, how to generate leads and track sales, how to use platforms like YouTube and Instagram to grow your business online, and much more. Legendary Builder Masterclass. There are 4 parts to the Legendary Builder Masterclass. This comprehensive program covers the nuts and bolts of building an online business from start to finish. This includes the fundamental aspects of telling your backstory and how you can improve your presentation and leadership skills to generate more leads and close more sales. Legendary Leader Masterclass. The Legendary Leader Masterclass is all about brand presence in your marketplace. Of course, this program teaches you how to become a leader. How to grow and scale your business from a startup to making over 7 figures and beyond. You'll also discover a vault with coveted talks and exclusive interviews with some of the most successful online business owners and marketing leaders in the world. How it works. Once you sign up to Legendary Marketer, you'll go through 15 core steps. These core steps help to educate you on the process of building your business through Legendary Marketer. David Sharpe has expertly crafted these videos to deliver an enormous value punch. You're also assigned a coach, who helps you to unlock the rest of your core steps after you've gone through the first 5. Your coach is also your point of contact who helps you to navigate the murky waters of building your own online business. This is one of the unique features of Legendary Marketer. It's also what makes it so great. In the My Business tab in your account, you'll be able to access the links and sales funnels you can use to promote your business. You can also add tags to your links so that you can track where the marketing leads and sales are coming from. This gives you real-time access and transparency into the entire process. Now, what some people might find challenging at the outset is getting traffic. Traffic, of course, is the lifeblood of any business. Without it, there's simply no business there at all. In fact, most companies suffer because of their inability to drive traffic, both online and offline. Remember, there's going to be a learning curve here. However, you can't expect to make any money without putting in the time to learn and grow. Just realize what it costs to launch and build a regular brick-and-mortar business. It's expensive. And you have to understand things like taxes, sales, marketing, employee management, and so on. However, there really is no hype with Legendary Marketer. And I can confidently say that this is a great company and that David Sharpe is a great human being that I'm proud to call my friend. Legendary Marketer Cost. Since Legendary Marketer has a variety of products, the cost of Legendary Marketer will ultimately depend on which products you end up purchasing. The most cost-effective way to join now is by purchasing the Copywriter's Playbook for $5.00. This will also get you access to the 15-day challenge for free. Here's a quick summary of the current pricing for each product. Since there aren't any official Legendary Marketer discounts, you can take advantage of the upsells that they do offer to save you some money. The first upsell is for the Marketers Club. You can choose to pay annually and get it for $179. This is almost a 50% savings. Next, as part of the 15-day online business builder challenge, you will be offered a chance to purchase the Business Blueprint bundle for a one-time fee of $2,500. Not only are you getting all 4 of the Business Blueprint bundles, which normally cost $2,500 each, but you'll also get access to the Traffic Rolodex and 6 months free of the Legendary Pro affiliate account. As an additional bonus, if you can sell 10 Business Blueprint bundles in 2 years, you'll qualify for the Legendary Tuition Reimbursement Program and can get your full $2,500 back. Additional things you should know about Legendary Marketer. Is Legendary Marketer a scam? I read a lot of Legendary Marketer reviews and also watched a few video ones as well prior to joining and writing this one, and to be quite honest, a lot of them are crap. They imply that Legendary is a scam, which is totally untrue. It's unfortunate because Legendary is definitely a legit training program. Most of the negativity is based on outdated information from earlier versions from 2016 to 2018. Is Legendary Marketer a MLM? Thank God no. Since Dave Sharpe used to be part owner of Empower Network, which was an MLM, a lot of people get the impression that Legendary Marketer is also the same. I understand, I thought that as well. Legendary Marketer is not an MLM because it only has a single-level affiliate compensation system. Does Legendary have an active community? Yes, they do. It's not the biggest community, but it's still growing quite rapidly. If you have any questions, you can get help from the official FB group. They also do daily wake-up Facebook Lives at 10 Est. Also, they have a private group for affiliates only, where they have exclusive training and promos. Is the Insider's Guide to Affiliate Marketing ebook worth buying? The new Legendary ebook is a really great way to introduce yourself to what Legendary Marketer is all about. It's only $1.99, so it's a no-brainer to get it. It's a very quick read. Legendary Marketer bonuses. When you join Legendary Marketer today, you'll get these additional bonuses so you can build your profitable online business. This is what you will get when you sign up right now. The Insider's Guide to Affiliate Marketing ebook. Learn the foundations to affiliate marketing success, so you can start making money online right away. 15-day online business builder challenge. Get your business set up and ready for your first high-ticket customer in just 15 days. My Legendary Marketers Club notes. Get access to 30+ weeks of training notes directly from the Marketers Club. Updated weekly. Additional bonuses: high-ticket business plan, FB ads template, email template, video scripts, phone scripts, personal business advisor, and high-converting affiliate funnel. Unlimited Facebook Messenger support. Get unlimited FB Messenger access to me, where you can ask me anything about Legendary Marketer's products or how to best promote as an affiliate. Legendary Pros. Great onboarding with the 15-day challenge. Weekly webinar replays in the Marketers Club. Has a great affiliate program. Comprehensive paid traffic strategies inside the Traffic Rolodex. Very responsive customer support, even on weekends. Legendary cons. No guarantee to be accepted into the affiliate program blocked countries list. Need to pay monthly to earn the highest affiliate commissions. High-ticket live events are expensive. It covers a very wide range on online marketing methods, which can be overwhelming, particularly to a newbie. Generally, most of the upsell package are high-ticket, thus beyond the reach of most people. Legendary Marketer final thoughts. Building an online business can be an overwhelming task, especially if you have no clue on where and how to start. All things being equal, I would however not recommend you to join Legendary Marketer. Why? Simply because there is a similar but 10 times better product I will refer you to, and that is the Wealthy Affiliate. Wealthy Affiliate is a platform designed for affiliate marketers of all levels. Whether you are just getting started, have some experience, or are an ultra-successful affiliate marketer, Wealthy Affiliate is made for you. Create your account now and get rolling with your online business today. Try Wealthy Affiliate free, no risk, and no credit card required. Click the link in the description to learn more about Wealthy Affiliate and claim your bonus today.